Hi, I'm Professor Jenny Gumperz. What I have here are human natural killer T cells that we're growing in the lab. So my lab has studied these cells for many years because we think that they may be very important as a way to provide an immunotherapy for patients with leukemias and lymphomas who've received stem cell transplants. So stem cell transplantation is a procedure where the patient's cancerous blood-forming cells are replaced by cells from a healthy donor. And this is really a fantastic procedure. It can cure leukemias and lymphomas. The problem is that currently this procedure comes with very, very severe risk for patients. Research from my lab suggests that NKT cells can help to prevent these problems and improve outcomes for patients who receive stem cell transplants. And so our team is so excited to have support from the Mary Gooze Clinical Trial and Translation Award to test NKT cells as an immunotherapy. So we'll be doing two things. The first is that we'll be initiating a clinical trial to test an NKT cell immunotherapy product that's made by a company called Mink Therapeutics. And that is going to be led by my co-principal investigator, Dr. Hongtao Liu, who's our director of stem cell transplantation. And he will be helped by Dr. Kalyan Nadaminti, who is a physician who specializes in treating patients who've received stem cell transplants. The second thing that we'll be doing is research studies here in my lab where we'll be testing these cultured NKT cells to see exactly how they kill leukemia cells taken from patients. And those studies will be led by a scientist in my group named Dr. Nikki Bharadwaj. And we expect those studies to provide us with some really important information for designing the later parts of the clinical trial. So to finish, I want to say that we're really deeply grateful to the support from the Gooze family that will help us investigate NKT cell immunotherapy for stem cell transplant patients, because we think that this will really help patients be able to spend more time with their own families.